There's 5 things that you need to become financially free. And I'm about to give you the 5 things right now. I want you to take notes, and if you just follow and get these 5 things, it will completely revolutionize not just your finances, but also your life. The first thing you need is you need a goal. A goal, a reason why you want to become financially free. If you want to be financially free, or you want to be a millionaire, you want to be successful in property or any business, it's going to get hard. And one of the things I've learned in business and in life is that everything worthwhile getting is hard. It's hard, not that I've known much about this from experience, getting a six-pack. I remember when we went into lockdown in 2020 and I got a personal trainer and I was training all the time. I didn't quite get a six-pack, but you can kind of see abs. And I was thinking, man, this is hard. After lockdown, I put a load of weight back on and then I got fat. And you know what I also realized? I realized it's hard being fat. It's hard being fat and it's hard being slim. It's hard being broke and it's hard being rich. Everything is hard. You may as well choose your hard and get on with it. And if you want to be rich, you want to be successful, you need to decide, you know what, I'm doing this, I'm having this. And you need a goal that will keep you going when the going gets tough. For you, that might be different to my goal. Your goal might be you want to retire your parents. It might be you want to travel the world. It might be that you just want to not be in a job that you don't like for the rest of your life. So find the reason, the goal, and that's the very first thing you need to be financially free. The second thing you need is you need a target. Now, the difference between a goal and a target is a goal is the why. This is why I want to be successful. This is what I want to do. This is what I want to achieve. The target is how much money do you need to be making on average every month in passive income through property to cover your living expenses. If I was mentoring you right now and I got you some property deals and you were making an extra £1,000 a month, would that change your life? Maybe it would, maybe it wouldn't. 2,000, 3,000. How much would you need to be making to be able to say, you know what? I can quit work now. I can kind of do what I want now. Sure, I'm not rich. Sure, I'm not in a position whereby I can, buy a big £1 million house and a jet. No, but financial freedom is not being rich. Financial freedom is being free. Financial freedom is having enough passive income that covers your life so that you don't have to worry about money. So the first thing is goal. Why do I need to be successful? Why do I need to be rich? Second thing is, what specifically is financial freedom? What is the amount of passive income that I need to be financially free? That's not the end, that's the beginning, but that's the first thing we need to hit. So be really clear on your target. The third thing that you need to be financially free is you need a vehicle that's gonna get you there. If you're wanting to go from point A to point B, you need to know, are you gonna take the bus? Are you gonna get a car? Are you gonna learn to drive? How are you gonna get from point A to point B? You need a strategy. And in the same way, if you wanna be financially free, sure you need a goal. Sure, you need a target, but you also need to be really clear on what vehicle is going to get you there. If your target is £2,000 a month, if that's all you need, I just need £2,000 a month, and then I can quit work and I can be financially free. And once I've done that, then I'm going to get rich. But firstly, £2,000 a month. How are you going to do that? What's going to be your vehicle? Is it going to be maybe rent to rents? Maybe you're going to rent a couple of apartments in Birmingham, where you live, wherever you live, and you're going to rent them for say £700 a month, but then you're going to rent them out for £100 a night, and that's your strategy. I mean, damn, if you do that, £100 a night is about £3,000 a month. If you can find a property, you think, I can make £3,000 a month on that, but it's only on for rent for 700, and you can get the correct permission from the landlord, damn, you can make, even after cost, you can make £1,000. Do that twice, that's your goal done. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment, that would really help me. The fourth thing is, what you need to be financially free is you need a support network around you. You need a network, trainers, success buddies to be in the right environment. If you're trying to do something on your own, if you're at home and you're like, right, I'm gonna get a rent to rent, and you pick up the phone and you call a landlord, and the landlord says, what? And you're like, oh, and he says, nah, we don't do that kind of thing. Or rent to rent, that's a scam. And you're like, ooh, is it? And you're on your own at home and your spouse is skeptical, what's gonna happen? You're gonna quit. Whereas if you are in the right environment, if you're around 6, 7 people that are winning and you're all together on the phones, pap, 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 that's what you need to do. I mean, environment is stronger than willpower. You can have all the willpower in the world, but you're gonna get blown flat and it just loses after a few weeks, potentially. Like a rubber band. Every time you watch a good YouTube video, whoa, I'm excited. Oh, back to normal. Excited again, back to normal. You've gotta be constantly around people You know, the 5 people that you're around is how you're going to become. We all know that, so I don't know why people continue to hang around skeptical losers that are saying, what are you doing? I'll just play it safe. Nah. New friends, new mentors, new rooms, new environment. The 4th thing you need is a support network. Number 5, the 5th thing that you need is you need systems and procedures in place. The ultimate definition of financial freedom is when your passive income covers your living expenses. What does passive mean? Passive means it's coming in without you doing much or anything, ideally. How's that gonna happen? Systems and procedures. So the 5th thing you need is you need systems in place. For instance, if you're doing Airbnb, you need to have a channel manager, you need to have key safes, automated emails, you need the whole thing systemized. If you're doing deal sourcing, can you systemize deal sourcing? Yes, you can. How? By hiring staff, training staff, having operations manuals. You can make anything passive when you understand how to systemize things and how to hire people. So that's point number 5. If you get those 5 things, you absolutely can become financially free in 2023. Is it going to be easy? Nothing's easy, but I tell you what, it's worthwhile. If you want me to help you, I can help you. You want to come down to the right environment, meet me, meet my team, find some success buddies? Come on down, man. £1 event. Come and meet me, come and meet the team. I'll leave a link in the description. We're running programs in Manchester, Birmingham, Leeds, London. Come on down. Let's meet and let's smash this year.